Chicken Sanju Baba. Does it sound filmy? Yes, it is. This is a signature chicken dish by the Bollywood star Sanjay Dutt. So let's look into see how we could cook this dish. I've taken a medium pot and have preheated it. We will add 2 teaspoons of refined oil, 1 teaspoon of ghee. Allow the ghee to melt. Now the ingredients that we're going to use is for half a kilogram of chicken. If in case you want to use more quantity of chicken, you may have to double or triple the quantity of ingredients according to the quantity of chicken that we are going to increase. 1 bay leaf, 3 cardamoms, half a teaspoon of cumin, and we will add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Fry the onion till it gets glossy and pink. Once the onion is glossy and pink, we will add 4 red chillies, and now have 1/4 inch of ginger finely chopped. I'm going to add that and reduce the flame. Usually for this recipe they use the whole thigh piece, but I'm using the same thigh piece but I've cut into 3 pieces. We will add the chicken. And after you add the chicken, we will increase the flame. We will add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 small sized tomato finely chopped, salt for taste. Now once you notice the chicken started to water, at this point of time we will add 100 ml of curd. And 10 strands of saffron. Gently mix it. We will check the salt. The salt is fine. I have taken around 5 to 6 almonds and I've soaked it in water and I've ground it to a paste. So I'm going to add that paste to the curry. Unlike other curries, this curry is going to be very mild. Gently mix it. And we will lower the flame and close it with the lid and we will cook for 15 minutes. Now that it's been cooking for 15 minutes in lower flame, we will open up the lid. You can see that the oil has started separating from the curry and the chicken is well cooked. At this point of time, what we will do is, out of the chopped ginger that we added earlier, I had kept aside a few pieces of ginger. So I'm going to add those ginger. Mix it gently. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped corianders. And turn off the stove. Your Chicken Sanju Baba is ready to be served. This can be served with any Indian flatbreads. If in case you missed out the ingredients, please do find the ingredients in the description below. And hope you love my video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.